How we doing back there? Doing good. There you go.
All right, guys, you all ready?
Yes, sir.
All right, we're lifting. Coming up there, 25
We find any spotted pigs?
We've got a couple, but not many.
Okay, we're gonna find us some spotted pigs. All right.
Yeah, spotted pigs are my favorite.
Richard fucking hates the spotted pigs.
All right, let's make them ready.
All right, guys, go ahead and make your weapons hot. Let me know when you're ready.
All right.
Right side's ready. Right side, go ahead and give us 2 shots. Left side? All right, left side, make ready, give us 2 shots.
Back up safe, we're hunting, guys. Call it out if you see it.
Yep.
The pigs down here on the left, little ones. Left side, you want to start shooting those little piglets? Go ahead.
Go ahead. Oh, first shot on a piglet. That's
yeah.
Good shot.
There you go, Joe.
Nice. Start your case and stay on them.
Where they are?
There you go. They're right here at 9. You're doing good.
Get after it, Joe.
Oh, he's got 2. Yeah. Woo! Good shots. Thanks. That's kick-ass.
I don't see
those are hard to shoot.
Little tiny piglet.
Those are hard to shoot. Where's Mama?
Let's leave that one. Well, let's find the big one.
We'll find some big ones. If you can shoot those, the big ones are going to be easy. Big. 7 o'clock. At 9 o'clock. Right in front of the water. 12 o'clock.
Oh, yeah.
1 o'clock.
Yeah.
Put them on the right side.
On the right side?
Yeah, put them on the right side. Be looking where they came from.
Nice, good job.
We've got a power line here in front of us.
Got it.
Did you get him?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got him. Oh, yeah. Good job. Tap in.
Oh, there we go. Pig. Right side, 1 o'clock.
Get ready, fucker. Oh, yeah. 11 o'clock. Give us 1 second. We'll get on. Yeah, I got it. Come on. I'm recording this. Oh, cool. Okay? Don't miss. Don't miss. No, I'm just messing with
that
you.
was that. But
Start at the back. Get him, Joe. Go ahead, fire. Hit this one closest to you here. There you go. Yeah. Shoot him again. There you go. Good shot. Pause right here.
I don't see it.
Yeah, he's working away from us.
Oh, yeah.
You're doing great. Shoot him. Shoot him again. One more. Give him one more. There you go. He's done.
Alright, right side, get ready. Just over the other side of the power lines there. Don't shoot yet. Alright, you cleared hot whenever.
This hard month, this healthy.
Come on. Look at all that damage right there.
Yeah. For you. Join us for our hard month, where physicians and medical staff will discuss.
I'm down. I'm out. Left side, get ready. Go ahead. I'm out. Reload.
Go fire.
Right side's up again.
Alright, right side. Here you go. Shoot the real one.
Left side's hot.
Oh, nice. Good job. Alright, left side. Here you go. It's down, but...
Yeah, that was good. Shoot him again. That was good. Yeah, lock your slide back. Remember that?
And again.
Push it all the way. Hang on. Push your slide all the way forward. Now let's look at the bottom. Make sure you don't have anything in there first.
I knew I'd find you, you little black bastard.
There he is.
There you go.
Get him in. I got him.
This one's a redhead.
Yeah, I thought it was a cow, that's why I didn't shoot it at first.
Yeah.
Come on. Oh, we got a big group right here. Yeah, big group. Got to get around them here.
You can play it hot whenever.
We got a boundary fence here.
Roger.
Well, look at them all. Come on. There we go.
Left side, this one at 11 o'clock.
Left side, 11 o'clock. Got him. Go ahead, send rounds. Send rounds. In the opening, shoot him right there. Stay on him. Keep your eye on him. Reloading. Good group right here.
Left right.
All right here, right. Go ahead.
Left side, 11 o'clock.
Leave those big ones alone.
50 yards. There you go. Left side, left side.
Yeah, get those big ones.
I got the wires.
27.
Go ahead. Yeah, great shot. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
My daughter!
Don't shoot the wire.
Working away here. Can you see him, Richard?
Yeah, got him now.
Okay. In the opening, shoot him there. Oh, we got, it's not a real spotted one. There you go, Joe. Working towards 11 o'clock.
Right side, get ready.
Yep, we're getting ready. Jason, pretty good. We're getting in him now.
Oh, nice shot.
Ah! Woo! Fucking big leap.
Alright, so there's the fence line. That's where we were.
Yeah. Yep.
Because there was another group that ran up this way.
Yes. Io. Io, right here below us.
Right side, get ready.
Good. Got a power line here.
Got it. Oh, you could have got him in the air.
Come on.
Alright, left side.
Left side coming up on your 11. You see him? Right there. Reload, reload.
Right side, you're going to be quick.
I'm up. Right side done. Left side reload.
What's the wire? Don't shoot the wire.
Left side test fire. There you go. Good. Good job. Come on, you fucker. Have we hit him?
He's got one in him. There you go, dead pin, dead dog.
Fuck you, dog. Good job. Hey, kick ass, dude. What's that?
That was an expensive coyote, though. Motherfucker, that's what, $50?
$50 coyote. Hey, 9 o'clock, left side, left side. 9 o'clock, right underneath you. Shoot it. Heading towards 10. He's heading out away from us. You see him?
Yeah.
Head. Take down. Nice.
Good job.
Left pigs. Good group of pigs here. 11 o'clock. Yeah. Okay. Good? Good shoot?
Yes, split on. Get the one to the back here.
About.
Left side, right below us.
Yeah, shoot that one right there. Yeah, 10 o'clock. Shoot that pig right there. We're covered in pigs right here.
Yeah, we got loads of
Yeah,
pigs.
dead ahead. Hold fire on your left. Are you ready on your left? Fire. Get after it, Joe. Get it, Joe. Good shot, Joe. Get him, 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 Joe. Stay on him. Oh, good shot. You're smacking him. Shoot that one again right there. Shoot him again. There, go shoot it. You can shoot it down. Oh, is that fire out? Nah, hold it. This thing's soaking up bullets. Come on.
He's laughing at you. He says you're fucking tickling him.
I'm out.
He's gonna die.
Reloading. 9 o'clock, or 3 o'clock, I'm sorry.
Alright, left side, just put a couple in this.
One more. Out. There was a big group that was on this ridge right here.
Right side, pig, 1 o'clock, 100 yards.
Get it on. Got it. Alright, good job. Now she's done. Oh, right underneath us. Right side. 5 o'clock. That was down.
See this one floating around down here? There's a couple of little piglets down here, 11 o'clock.
Lost them. Right side.
If they cross the fence, you can't shoot them.
Okay.
Ceasefire.
Ceasefire. Can we shoot that? I think we can hunt that, can't we?
No.
Cannot. 200 yards, directly at 12 o'clock.
Okay, I see him.
I get him? Yep, got him. Got him.
We need to start working back anyway.
Yeah.
We're just gonna kind of pick up the speed. If we see something, we can stop and murder him. But
Sure. What do you think, guys? Awesome.
that was another good run. That's
That was a great run.
3 good runs already, man.
Yeah, it was awesome.
Yeah, pull your magazines out, guys.
I totally thought one of the fucking pigs was a cow. I was like, I'm not shooting that thing. I was not the one to shoot a cow. That's